So, if you're storing sensitive information in Bitwarden in 2026, yeah, you need more than just saving passwords. Things like recovery codes, IDs, and private notes need to be handled carefully so they stay truly secure. First, use secure notes for sensitive data that isn't a password. Things like backup codes, API keys, or private details should go here instead of random text files. Next, remember, everything in Bitwarden is encrypted, but your master password is the key. Make sure it's strong, unique, and never reused anywhere else. Now use custom fields inside Vault items. This helps you store extra sensitive data in an organized way, like account IDs or recovery keys. If you need to store documents, use secure file attachments. This keeps files encrypted inside your vault instead of leaving them exposed on your device. Be very careful with sharing. Only share sensitive items with trusted people, and always use Bitwarden's secure sharing, not chat apps or email. Organize sensitive data into separate folders like finance, personal, and work. This reduces mistakes and keeps everything easier to manage. Finally, check your vault regularly. Remove old data, update weak passwords, and make sure nothing unnecessary is stored anymore. And that's it. Managing sensitive data in Bitwarden is all about organization, encryption, and careful sharing. Yeah, do it right, and your data stays safe and under control. And